In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or upload a Shopify theme via a zip file. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you step by step to ensure that everything goes smoothly. So whether you're new to Shopify or looking to refresh your skills, by the end of this video you'll be well equipped to customize your online store with ease. First, we'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Open up your web browser and log into your Shopify store. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the homepage of your admin panel, where all the tools and features for managing your store are available. This is where the magic happens. Next, look to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Online Store. Give that a click. Clicking on Online Store will take you to the section where you can manage everything related to your storefront, including themes, blog posts, pages, and navigation. The themes menu will open additional options under the Online Store. Now we'd like to focus on adding a new theme, so find the button that says Add Theme. This button might be in the upper right hand corner depending on your view settings. Clicking this button is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your shop. It's one of the most exciting parts of setting up your e-commerce website, as it's an opportunity to showcase your brand style and identity. Once you've clicked on Add Theme, scroll a bit to find and click on the Upload Theme button. A new window will pop up allowing you to upload a zip file. This is crucial because themes require a specific file structure to work in Shopify, and the easiest way to ensure this is by using a zip file. If you have access to a specific theme in a zip file format, this is where you'll upload it to get it into Shopify. Click on Choose File to select the theme zip file you want to upload. Navigate to the location on your computer where you've saved this zip file. Once you've found it, select it and then click Upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, Shopify will automatically unpack and install the theme for you. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a theme to your Shopify store using a zip file. This newly added theme will now appear in your themes library, ready to be customized and published whenever you are ready. Remember that a well-chosen theme can greatly affect your store's user experience and overall appeal, so make sure to explore different options and find one that best aligns with your brand's vision. Thank you for watching today's guide on uploading a Shopify theme via a zip file. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out with your comments. Best of luck with your Shopify store.